Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. We are gathered here today for the promotion of my YouTube channel, of my YouTube station. Now, I'm waiting to get a few more comments. I'm waiting to get a few more subscriptions. I'm waiting to get a few more post notifications. So go ahead and turn them on and receive more good news from your favorite YouTube station. Now, I know that there are some of you out there asking yourselves the question, Brother Weston, I've already watched your videos. I've already liked your videos. I've already commented on your videos. What more is there that I can do on behalf of your videos, brothers and sisters? Let me tell you something. We have a new Patreon page available. All right, for just as much as you like every month, you can go ahead and you can give more than 100% of yourself to your favorite YouTuber who gives more than 100% of himself. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, you can reach into your pockets and hand me your money. That's right. All right, now, and some of y'all might be asking yourselves, what's in it for me if I should support you fiscally? And I'm going to tell you right now, if you subscribe for anything more than $10 a month, I will send you a hanky that is doused with the sweat of my brow accumulated on this YouTube station. Woo! Now, brothers and sisters, I am happy to see each and every one of you here today. But we're going to need a few more of you if we're going to get this thing monetized. I am currently sitting at about 60 subscribers. That's about 940 short of what I need in order to sell you advertisements off of my YouTube channel. So let me ask you, have you done everything you can to promote my YouTube channel yet? I'm not asking for your views, I'm asking for a little bit more than that. Have you played a playlist of my face on repeat while you sleep? Because if you haven't, there's always more that you can do. There's always more views that we can get on this YouTube channel. All right, and so I'm going to need us to dig deep today. I'm going to need us to dig deep. And I'm going to need you to look within yourself, and I'm going to need you to ask yourself just how important is this content that doesn't suck to you? And just how big do you want this movement to become? And just where on history do you want to stand? Do you want to be a pioneer? Do you want to be responsible for this thing taking off? Do you want to be involved in this this thing that we have going here? All right. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, before I go, I feel like the Lord is telling me that there are more of you out there who are going to share this video. And I feel like there are more of you out there who are going to comment on this video. And I feel like there are more of you out there that can get more involved in spreading the good news about your favorite YouTube station. Oh, right. Okay, so you see, here's the thing. This is obviously a joke, and the reason that I feel like this is funny instead of sacrilegious is because it is ridiculous, the notion of prosperity gospel, which basically says if you do good, if you give good, if you are good, God will love you more, God will bless you more. The good news is salvation is free, so Jesus paid the price in full. You don't have to give anything, you don't have to do anything, you just got to accept him, you just got to love him, you just got to follow him. That's all he wants is your heart. So thanks for watching. I said it a bunch of times up here in case you missed it. I would appreciate a subscription or whatever. But until next time, signing off for now. All right.